So, good morning, my dear students. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome to channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. This is the chemistry of class 9. This is chapter number 2. Is matter around those pure. Let us discuss the physical and chemical chain. First of all, you are going to understand the physical chain. A physical chain is one in which some of the physical properties, shape, color, state, etc. of the substances undergoing changes are altered temporarily, but the actual composition and the mass of the substances remain unchanged, and new substances are produced. The substances is restored to its original state as soon as the cause of change is withdrawn. So these are the things about the physical chain. Example of physical chain: first is evaporation of water, H2O is a physical chain. Second is the dissociation of common. Let us understand about the chemical chain. So the what are the chemical changes? Chemical chain. A chemical chain in one which a chemical chain in one which a chemical chain in one which the substances undergoing change, the substances undergoing change are transformed into new substances, are transformed into new substances whose properties, mass, composition, etc., whose properties, mass, composition, etc., are entirely different, are entirely different from those of the original substances, of the original substances. The new substances cannot be changed back into the new substances cannot be changed back into the original substance, even if the cause of change is, even if the cause of change is withdrawn. Is it clear? For example, let us. So the chromatography is a physical method that separates the component of a mixture by distributing distributing them between two phases. Distributing them into two phases. So my dear student, the two phases are stationary phases and mobile phase. First is the stationary phase and second is the mobile phase. A fixed phase. Stationary phase is a fixed phase. Next one is the mobile phase. B is the mobile phase. So mobile phase is a phase that move in a different direction. A phase that move in a definite direction. Okay, so chromatography can be used to separate. Chromatography can be used to separate, purify and test compound. Separate, purify and test compounds. The term comes from the Greek word. The terms come from the Greek word chroma, color, and graphene, meaning to write. Chroma, color, and graphene, meaning right, meaning to write. So examples of chromatography. Let us understand the example of chromatography. Different pigment from an extract. Different pigment from an extract of flower petals. Thus, chromatography is a technique used to. Thus, chromatography is a technique used to separate those solute of a mixture. Separate those solute of a mixture that are soluble in the same solvent. That are soluble in a same solvent. It works on the principle of absorption. It works on the principle of absorption. So these are the things about the chromatography. Let us understand the chromatography in a simple way. Chromatography is a physical method. That separates the component of a mixture by distributing them into two phases. Okay, the strategic phase, a fixed phase; mobile phase, a phase that move in a definite direction. Chromatography can be used to separate, purify and test compounds. The terms come from the Greek word chroma, color, and graphene, meaning to write. So example, different pigment from an extract of flower petals. Thus, chromatography is a technique used to separate those solute of a mixture that are soluble in the same solvent, and it works on the principle of absorption. So these are the things about the chromatography. Thank you for watching my video. This is Suraj and chemistry teacher. Welcome channel Chemistry Wala Answer. This is the chemistry class of 9th. Don't skip the video. Go throughout the whole video. After that, we are doing the questions in the next class and starting the exercise. There are approx 11 questions. 11 and 3 question, 11 and 3, 14 questions are we are going to solve it. 11 and 2, 13 question and we are going to solve. Thank you for watching my video. Don't skip the video, go through all video and subscribe more and more to learn the chemistry in a simple way. Thank you all of you, take care.